Button?
Yeah.
I don't know where she's running home. She's doing this again. Where is she? Just honk at her.
Wait, you see a weird looking chick running?
Hurry up! I don't know where she is. Oh, there she is. Honk at her ass. Tell her hurry up. Tell her she better run. Get in the car! Put down the window. Get in the car! You're so freaking weird, you realize that?
Don't tell me what
Tell them what the hell you're thinking. What's going through your mind when you do such things?
I feel happy.
This one is like way past the point of no return.
Alright. This is it.
Do you really need to record me?
No, I'm trying to turn it off, actually.